Hi, in this video we will see how to insert a table using simple HTML tags, and we will see some attributes of table tag. So let's begin with our code. This is general structure of any HTML program. We will give title to our web page, our first table. Then in body we will give one heading as simple table using HTML. Most of the time table is used in many web pages for different purposes. So let's see the basic code regarding it. We will give center tag to all this. So that our output will be in the center position. So whatever we will write inside the center and slash center tag, it will appear to the center of your browser window. Now to begin with our table, we need a basic table tag. Table is also a paired tag. It starts with table and ends with slash table. Okay, so we have specified the parent tag. Now we need table row, that is tr tag. See, table is nothing but combination of rows and columns. So we will define each and every row in our table, and then we will define the table data as well. So tr, we will have one td, let's say another td, and we will put some dummy data over here, say serial number, let's say first name. We'll just save this much code and we will just see what is our output. See, serial number and first name. This text has been displayed on our browser window, but you will be surprised at where is our table. See, we have inserted the table, but we have not specified its border. So there is one attribute of table tag, that is border, let's say 2. Then we will add one more row, and where our data will be present. In case of serial number, let's say 1, and first name, let's say Sagar. We have saved our program. We will run this. See, the change is in front of you. A border has been appeared, and you can see 2 rows and 2 columns are present. See, tr means nothing but this portion. The complete row means table row, and td means table data. Just consider the hierarchy of the tags. Inside the table tag, a tr should be present and td must be present inside the tr tag. Many times most of the students and some new enthusiastic HTML learners, they get confused where to put tr and td tag. So this is a simple hierarchy. Table tag should be your parent tag in case of tables, then tr tag should be present, and then td tag should be present. Now if you wish to increase the number of columns, then you can add one more td, let's say last name. If you are adding one more column in your first row, then in second row also you should increase it. I have just inserted one more column. Let's check the output. Here it is. We have added this last column as a last name, and we have put some appropriate data in it. Similarly, you can generate table of having 4, 5, n number of rows, and as much as columns you want, we can insert in this code. Thank you.